Okay, it's your girl China. Welcome back to my channel. Now, hopefully this goes out correctly this time because I thought I was screen recording before and clearly I wasn't, and now I have to hurry up and rush and screen record this and make something. So, we're going to do a YouTube banner. Now, I do not do the typical one that's in Canva because, dude, when you do it in Canva, it be looking all cute. And then when you go to post it, it is too big. So I do like 2,000 times 1,100, wait, whatever, 1,104. Okay, there we go. Now, what I'm doing is picking out my background. And I'm trying to find the picture like with my logo in here to make it just quick and simple and easy. Now, I cannot use the image from the business card because if I do, it's just going to take up the whole screen. But then I remembered it's in my upload. So then you're just going to take a picture. Now, I'm trying to fit it like literally in the middle because it's not going to work. You know, if you hear a little person voice in the background, excuse them. It's a little person in the background that I keep yelling at to be quiet. But apparently, they're not understanding what that means. Okay, so now that I got mine out the way, I'm going to give you a different style type of example. Now I need to actually choose a background first, technically. You want a background, then after background, you want to choose your elements. You can change the transparency of this background. You can use your own personal picture for the background, or you can obviously use a regular background. You also can change the saturations and all this other and more. Okay, so now I'm going into elements and I'm choosing a frame. That way I can choose my client's picture in here. Okay, so I decided that I didn't like any of them fonts, so I'm going to actually kind of make a glitter font by going into elements, choosing frames. Well, actually, you don't even got to choose frames. Just type in the letter that you want, and then after that, you can take an image, drag it to the letter, and then boom, okay? It uploads into the letter. So now you kind of got a graphic letter, if that makes sense. Just keep watching, okay? I'm gonna keep playing with the text until I like it, moving it back and forth. Honestly, I still ain't like it, but just keep watching, cause you know you gonna see what I end up doing. Okay. Just in case somebody is watching the YouTube on a desktop or a TV channel, I am putting like basically what about the channel is underneath the name. It's probably not going to fit when I try to put it in the YouTube banner, but we're gonna test it out and find out, because like I said, don't use the original size. You're gonna have to make that thing a little smaller, or like focus whatever you're doing all in the middle, and that, you know what, it's like a graph when you upload it. When you play around with your YouTube channel banner, you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the part what I was talking about, how it has to fit in the middle of the screen. Like, do not get so happy and excited, design the whole page, And when someone goes to watch on their phone, because 9 times out of 10 people are watching on their mobile device, you're gonna be salty. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Don't forget to leave any questions in the comment section, and I will see you guys tomorrow.